We're here today to introduce our latest legend. North Hill Mazda, with the support of the Crescent Heights Community Association, want to thank Alpha House for their dedication to helping individuals affected by alcohol and other drug dependencies. I think everyone knows someone who has lived with addiction, whether a close friend, a co-worker, or even a family member. That's why this Legends work is so important. When somebody's ready to reach out for help, they should have a place to turn. The care, compassion, and commitment you bring to this mission truly makes a difference. This check from North Hill Mazda for $2,500 is to help in the outstanding work you folks as Legends do every single day, and for the people in the community that otherwise might not have the help they need. Thank you for being a legend.
Thank you so much.
And there's the check for you.
Amazing, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Should shake on it.
Yeah.
Every amount helps us support more individuals. Just so folks know, Alpha House has a continuum of services that provide support to individuals experiencing homelessness and struggling with addiction. We have outreach teams that help bring folks to our shelter. Our shelter can provide, sleeping mats and showers and food and hygiene supplies. We have housing programs that can support people to move out of homelessness and towards recovery or stability. And we have our detox program, of course, that can help with sort of that addiction treatment and recovery support as well. So this just, means so much to us, and we're just so grateful for the community support.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.